Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to online accountancy class. This second session. Now, in this session, we are going to consider that is 4 marks, 6 marks, as well as 8 marks question type here. So, one question we consider from the fundamental of partnership. This is related to 4 marks, as well as one question related to 6 marks also from this chapter is there. Now this is our problem. We already done this type of problem. There are 3 partners ABC. Their capital it is provided, current account balance provided, and according to partnership deed they will get interest on capital and as well as salary. So here we have to find out that is share of profit by preparing a profit and loss appropriation account, but profit under different slab, that is first 20,000 in their capital ratio. This is the capital ratio 80,000, 80,000 and 40,000. If you calculate it is coming 2:2:1. Next 30,000 in that ratio 5:3:2, and above that remaining profit that will be distributed equally, that is 1:1:1. Now the particular year from earned profit is 1,56,000. So how will calculate share of profit? So first of all, we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account, and according to that partnership agreement, what are the instruction is there, we will have to provide these are the treatment. So this is our solution. First of all, profit and loss appropriation account, net profit 1,56,000. Interest on capital it is mentioned. Interest on capital it is mentioned, that is 5%. So 80,000, 5%, 4,000, 4,000 and 2,000, total 10,000. And his salary it is 6,000 per annum. So 1,56,000 minus 16,000 it is coming here 1,40,000. So this 1,40,000 it will be distributed under 3 different slabs. For this one working is there ABC or partner here. First 20,000 as per question instruction in that ratio 2:2:1. 2/5, 2/5, 1/5. So that is coming here 2/5 means 20,000 into that is coming 8,000, 8,000 and 4,000. First phase share of profit. Second phase another 30,000. So 30,000 in that ratio 5:3:2. So 30,000 if you distribute in that way 5/10, 3/10, 2/10, this will be here 15, 9 and 6 remaining profit. So we have to calculate remaining profit. Total it is 1,40,000. 1,40,000 minus 50. Already first phase, second phase distributed profit. So third phase it is coming 90. 1,40,000 minus 50, 90,000. That will be distributed equally 30, 30, 30. The total profit of A 53, total profit of B 47, total profit of C 40, and that is considered here 53, 47, 40, 1,40,000. So that way distribute. Generally we did like on a particular single ratio share of profit, but here when profit under different slab, so as per agreement we have to do the solution. So as per agreement, profit under 3 slab, first slab, second slab and third slab. So that way like here with the help of on working we can solve it. Now related to 6 mark question, like here from the same chapter, like this is related to past adjustment. Past adjustment, like when there is a mistake is there, accountant made some mistake and that mistake disclosed. So we cannot erase it, we cannot cancel the entries like that way. Like by cancelling the solution, problem cannot be solved. So we have to pass some adjustment entry. There is some sort of rectification of error. We learned from class 11, that is rectified entry. Passing some rectified entry, we can solve that type of mistake. So here in this chapter, like fundamental of partnership, like past adjustment, like mistake made in past, now present that mistake disclosed. So what we'll do here, we have to pass some adjustment entry as if that mistake is solved and we can rectify it. So there are 2 partners here. You can see this is a problem, Kumar and Raja, and their profit sharing ratio is 7:3. They are fixed capital, Kumar 70 and Raja 30. Partnership provided the other thing here, that 10% interest on capital means Kumar will get 7,000, Raja will get 3,000, as well as Kumar's salary 1,250 per month. So for 12 months it is coming 15,000 and Raja will get 15,000 per year salary. So regarding the salary purposes it is 20,000, and here interest on capital it should be 7 plus 3, 10,000. So 10,000 plus 20, 30,000, that is like appropriation item is there. So that appropriation item ignored by that accountant without charging this appropriation item directly. The total profit 1 lakh it is distributed in this question. So it was a great mistake. So you have to rectify it, which you will rectify. Now that way, like with the help of adjustment table, we can rectify. This is our adjustment table here. Profit like 1 lakh rupees which already distributed. Now we have to debit. That time it was credited, so we have to do reverse. So here this time we have to debit here. Like 1 lakh profit, it was credited initially. Kumar 70, Raja 30. Now it will be reverse. So Kumar will return that. That was actually wrong profit. So Kumar returned 70,000. Therefore Kumar debited 70,000. Raja debited 30,000, and it will be credited to the firm. Means revenue will generate as they return this wrong profit. Afterward, according to that partnership agreement, according to the partnership deed, interest on capital as well as salary, first of all, we have to credit to that respective partner. So here that is second phase, interest on capital, it will be credited 10%, that is 70,000, 10%, 7,000 as well as 3,000, total 10,000. So total 10,000 related to interest on capital, it is credited, and from the firm side it is debited. Salary also 15,000 and 5,000, so 20,000 it was credited to Kumar as well as Raja, and here firm it is coming debit here. Total firm profit earned 1 lakh. Out of that, like already allotted interest on capital 10 as well as salary 20, so that is 30,000 gone. So out of the remaining profit which you have to distribute, that is 70,000, that ratio. So 1 lakh minus 30,000, 70,000, in that ratio 7:3, that is correct profit which you have to credit. So in that ratio, if you calculate 70,000 into 7 by 10, 49,000 as well as 21,000. So total debit of the firm's book, that is 70, 21 plus 49, 70,000. Now afterward we will compare the debit and credit. Total debit of Kumar, there is a debit column. Total debit 70,000, means he should return 70,000 and he should get 71,000, that is credit. Exactly, Raja should debit 30,000 and should credit 29,000. So therefore here, and this side like firm, it is total adjustment is same. Now if you do that, is 70,000 and 71,000, difference coming here 1,000, credit more 1,000. So ultimately Kumar has taken 70,000, but he should get 71,000. So 1,000 he should have to be credited. Then the problem will be solved. In case of Raja, it is reverse. Here Raja has taken 30,000, but he should get 29,000. So he should return 1,000. So therefore Raja's capital will be debited 1,000. So like this way you can solve the problem here without refunding any amount, just making some capital adjustment. Shortly we can solve. Otherwise what will happen? Partner first, they will return these rupees. It will take time. Again we may have to make revision PL appropriation account, interest on capital. Again you have to distribute the profit. So without doing that, just with the help of scientific method, we can find out what will be the net adjustment in that mistake, like who has taken more and who has taken less. So that adjustment we can do in this ground here. Like Kumar has taken less, he should get 71, but he has taken 70. Raja here opposite has taken 30, but he should get 29. So therefore reverse entry Raja's capital account or Raja's current account, as it is fixed method, we can pass the entry here. Raja's current account 1,000 to Kumar current account 1,000. So like that way, that problem we can solve. Now like this is related to 6 marks question. Now related to 8 marks question, last phase, there is 8 marks question. In case of 8 marks question, like 2 questions will be there, 8 marks, 16 marks question, and that 16 marks question. One question can come from resolution of partnership, fill in the blanks type. Another from NTO, non-trading organization. In case of non-trading organization, like preparation of like income expenditure as well as opening balance sheet and closing balance sheets. So far we did like same type of problem. Like it will be easy comparatively than the what we have done. The simple way, just using the logic, we can solve. Anybody can solve here. Like in case of non-trading or easiest one problem, it is provided. Just you have to know like how to calculate the subscription, how to calculate the amount of depreciation, how to calculate the salary of a particular year, if it is previous year outstanding, current year outstanding provided. Normally we know that is current year outstanding, that time we will add, previous year will minus. Like stationary consumption, how we will find out stationary consumption, that time it is just like purchase plus opening minus closing. The same way, so many problem we did here, so that little calculation will be there, like in case of income and expenditure preparation time. And we know how to make opening balance sheet as well as closing balance sheet. Now this is the one problem which we consider, that is from resolution of partnership, and fill in the blanks type of question. Here there are three partners. Already this problem is solved here. So there are three partners, M, N, and K, and one realization account as well as partners capital account as well as cash account provided, but some missing figure is there. So that time when you did this problem, that time I said that how we'll find out that missing figure here. Now first of all, that is root we have to find out from realization account. Realization account, like we know, there is primary phase, first phase entry, transferring of all the asset, transferring of all liability. All the asset means here except fictitious asset as well as cash and bank, and this time external liability, not internal liability. There is first phase entry. Now second phase entry, like here liability payment as well as assets recovery entry. So at that time here all these entry are provided, but here one is missing here. If you see here, debit credit not equal, some amount of difference is there. So this is the missing figure which you have to find out. So if you add this, already it is there, all the figures provided here, 88,200, but here it is not coming 88,200. So here is a missing figure, that is called loss on realization, because this side profit not provided, so automatically it will be profit or loss. So here it is loss on realization that is missing, and loss on realization, after calculating realization will be completed. Next we can enter the partners capital account. In partners capital account, like corresponding entry you have to see. First loss, you can write here to realization in three partners column here, M share, N share, and K share we can put here. Now after that we have to recheck here, like buy side entry, two side entry is there here, like M, that is Malas capital is there, so corresponding entry here in partners capital by realization, like Malas column, that blank also it will fill up here. This side exactly here, like Malas capital investment takeover entry is there, so corresponding entry if you put here to Malas capital, so this will also fill up here. So ultimately this all are getting from realization, this is also you are getting from realization, this is also you are getting from realization. So automatically, like if you add this side and if you deduct this part, so opening balance will get here. So that is a way to find out opening balance of partners, that is called Y balance BD, opening capital balance. Afterward it is easy to find out cash, like cash all item here provided, like to balance BD, balance CD will not there, realization as well as capital related also provided here. If you check here in realization by bank is there, by cash or bank, this is a recovery 38,000. This side also same way, like you can see here, cash paid to cater as well as cash dishonored bill paid as well as expenses paid. So all these are there. So reverse entry you can see in the cash ledger here, cater payment, realization, like dishonored bill. This one only one is missing here, and how much amount, if you like if you make the difference, automatically the amount we can easily find out. And here you can see here by realization, by one thing is missing. So here this is the by realization, 3 times cash is there, 2 cash, 2 cash, 2 cash. This to consider 2 cash for cater payment, or cash for resolution, that is bill is not payment purposes, and this one like realization expenses not shown in cash ledger. So that will be that was missing ultimately 800. So that 800 we can put here in cash ledger by realization, that is realization expenses 800. And if you make the difference, 800 shortage will be there, so ultimately that will match if we put here 800, and if you write here by realization within bracket resolution expenses. So that way missing figure we can calculate. So 8 marks question, this type of question are important. I think so this will help our learner for your for their midterm examination. So this type of question, like already I shown like all this type of question as well as solution with the help of video, as well as I provided the material information through PDF file. So all the document with the learners, I hope so they can do better. Okay, I'm going to conclude this session, and I wish all the best for midterm examination. Thank you and God bless.